Hi there, trendsetters! We are in the middle of something massive, something that is revolutionizing the way we earn, grow, and succeed. This isn't just another crypto project. This is an ecosystem, a movement, a revolution. And today I'm here to tell you, you're witnessing history in the making. Over the last few months, we've been cooking up some of the biggest innovations in the trend ecosystem. And let me tell you, the best is yet to come. So buckle up, because I'm about to take you on a journey through what's happening right now and what's coming next in the trend ecosystem. Phase 1. Social Media Booster, the first breakthrough. Let's rewind back to January 2025 when we first launched our Social Media Booster. We saw a massive breakthrough. This wasn't just another marketing gimmick, it was proven to work. In just 5 days, I grew my faceless YouTube channel from 0 to nearly 600 subscribers, and my views started skyrocketing. And guess what? This is just the beginning. For the first time ever, TRND holders gained exclusive access to a powerful system designed to supercharge engagement, skyrocket views, and grow their presence effortlessly. And if you want to learn how to do it, to make sure to follow us and stay connected. Phase 2, Trend Staking, passive income unlocked. Then came March 2025, and we took things even further with Trend Staking. For those who saw the vision and locked in their TRND, the rewards have already started flowing. Staking TRND isn't just about holding, it's about earning while you wait for the ecosystem to explode. With APYs reaching up to 730%, early stakers are now sitting on massive gains. And the best part, we're just getting started. The pre-sale and airdrop have brought in new believers, and the community is growing stronger by the day. If you're holding TRND, you're already ahead of the game. Want to get involved? Join our Telegram community and be part of the movement. Phase 3, the upcoming music Play-to-Earn DApp, but we're not stopping there. Coming up next, get ready for the music Play-to-Earn DApp. Imagine a world where you can listen, upload, and engage with music and get paid for it. That's exactly what we're bringing to the table. Artists will earn, listeners will earn, the community will thrive, and of course, Trend will be at the heart of it all. Be the first to experience it. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the official launch. Phase 4, the grand reveal, Trend Academy. But if you thought that was all, think again, because what's coming next is something that will change lives forever. Introducing Trend Academy, this isn't just another trading course. This is a full-fledged financial powerhouse designed to teach you how to win in the digital world. And Trend Academy will bring you master Forex trading strategies, learn what the top traders don't want you to know. AI trading bots automate your profits and make your money work for you. YouTube automation, create faceless YouTube channels and turn them into money-making machines. It's all happening inside the Trend ecosystem, and only TRND holders will have access. Don't miss a thing. Follow our socials, join our community, and turn on post notifications so you stay updated. And that's not all. Because Trend is a continuous innovation, we're not stopping here. We're building, expanding, and scaling to new heights. Every move we make is designed to create wealth, provide knowledge, and empower people. So, my question to you is this. Are you ready? Are you ready to be part of the future of finance? Are you ready to join a movement that's redefining how we earn, invest, and grow? Are you ready to follow the trend? If you're holding TRND, you're already ahead. If not, don't sleep on this. The time is now. Trend is more than a token. It's a lifestyle. It's a revolution. It's the future. Welcome to the Trend ecosystem. Let's build this together. Make sure to follow us on all social media platforms. Join our Telegram community chat to connect with like-minded people. Like, comment, and share this video to spread the movement. Subscribe and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Links are in the description below, so don't miss to check out. Trend it up. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next one. Let's make this awesome together. Whatever you're aiming for, you're in the right place. Let's make it happen.
We're building the future, no looking back. Riding the wave, we're on the right track. Opportunities knocking, open the door. With turning in your hands, you're ready for more. From staking rewards to trading the charts, passive income, we're playing it smart. Trend Academy, level up the game. Automation hustle, remember the name. Follow the trend, rise to the top. This is your moment, we never stop. Earn while you learn, play while you win. The future is calling, let's lock it in. Social boosting, music vibes. Play to earn where passion thrives. Crypto's the key, the world's gonna see that TRND is the way to break free. Trend staking flows, stacking that gold. This ain't a phase, the story is told. We're taking the lead, no time to pretend. The movement is here, so follow the trend. Follow the trend, rise to the top. This is your moment, we never stop. Earn while you learn, play while you win. The future is calling, let's lock it in. We hustle, we grind, we take what's ours. Dreaming in crypto, we're reaching for stars. Innovation, elevation, watch us ascend. No time for fear, we set the trend. Whoa. Trend Academy, music DApp 2. P2E gaming, rewards just for you. This is the future, this is the plan. Join the movement, be part of the 10.